Let's look at our book. What's that? What's this? Fish. Janie. What's that? What's that?
Duck.
What's this? Cat. Cat. Wait, what's this? Hold on. You missed all these pages. What's that? Is that a fish?
Duck.
No. What?
Duck.
What is that? Is that a chick?
Duck. Duck. Duck.
What's this, a parrot? What else is there?
Duck.
That's a goat.
Duck. Duck.
That's a chinchilla.
Duck.
Chinchilla.
Duck. Duck.
Pelican. Hey, let's look. Look at the book. Come here. Let's see. What else do we see in here? What's that? Is that a snake? A bee? Bzz. Hey, Jane. Janie, how old are you? 1. Yeah. Hey, go back here. Where are you going? Come back. I wasn't done.